Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today, our word of the day is destination. What is a destination? Well, simply put, a destination is the place to which someone or something is going or being sent. It's the final point in a journey, the goal of a trip, or the place you intend to reach. In everyday language, we use destination to talk about travel plans, geographical locations, and even abstract goals we want to achieve. Think about planning a vacation. You might say, "Our destination this summer is Italy." Or, if you're using a GPS, it will ask, "Please enter your destination." So, you see, it's a pretty common and useful word. Now, let's delve into some synonyms. Words that mean almost the same thing as destination. One synonym is goal. For example, instead of saying the destination of the project is to increase sales, you could say, the goal of the project is to increase sales. Another useful synonym is endpoint. Imagine you're talking about a train route. You could say London is the endpoint of this train line. A third synonym to consider is journey's end. This one is a bit more poetic, but still means the same thing. You might say, after a long and tiring trek, the summit was our journey's end. We also have terminal. This is often used in transportation contexts like airports or bus stations. For example, the bus's terminal is located downtown. A further synonym could be port of call. Imagine a cruise ship setting sail. You could say the Bahamas are a popular port of call for Caribbean cruises. And lastly, we have venue. This is especially relevant if you're speaking about an event or meeting. For instance, the venue for the conference is the Grand Hotel. Now that we've explored some synonyms, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of destination. One antonym is origin. Think of it this way. A destination is where you're going, and an origin is where you're coming from. For example, the origin of our journey was New York, and our destination was Paris. Another antonym is departure point. This emphasizes the place where a journey begins. You could say, the airport served as our departure point, starting our adventure towards our chosen destination. A third antonym is source. This word refers to the place where something starts, not where it ends. You could say, the river's source is in the mountains, far from its destination in the sea. Another possible antonym is starting point. This is quite self-explanatory and implies the antithesis of reaching your target location. For example, our hiking starting point was at the base of the mountain, a long way from our destination at the peak. How can we use the word destination in everyday life? Well, it's incredibly versatile. If someone asks you where you're going, you could simply reply, "My destination is the library." Or if you're using a navigation app, you might say, "I've entered the destination into my GPS." In a more figurative sense, you might say, "Success is my ultimate destination," meaning that success is your overall goal. Here are some more usage examples of destination in sentences and phrases. What is your final destination? We arrived at our destination after a 10-hour flight. The package reached its destination safely. Choosing a vacation destination can be exciting. He's a man with a clear destination in life. The website is a popular online destination for shoppers. This train's destination is Chicago. Can you please confirm your destination address? The delivery truck's destination was the warehouse. Our company aims to be the leading provider in this destination market. Another way to incorporate the word into conversations is by asking questions. Have you chosen a destination for your honeymoon? Or, what is your favorite travel destination and why? We also use it in expressions. It's the ultimate travel destination, or it's a popular tourist destination. The word can even be used when discussing aspirations. My academic destination is to earn a doctorate degree. We even see the word in titles, places, and things that we would not automatically think of when we hear the word. For instance, there is a movie called Final Destination about a group of teenagers who cheat death after a premonition, only to have death hunt them down to claim their lives. In this way, even death itself can be a destination. So, to summarize, destination is the place where someone or something is going. We learned some synonyms like goal, endpoint, and journey's end, and some antonyms like origin, departure point, and source. We explored various ways to use destination in everyday conversations and different contexts. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn English too. Now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word destination and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!